First, measure the size of the crystal you want to carve. The size of this crystal is 30 by 30 by 30 millimeters cube. First, open the drawing software and add a 30 by 30 by 30 millimeters cube. Click the button next to the size information in the toolbar above the window. Length, width, and height are all 30 millimeters. Then click Add. Select the size you just added from the drop-down list. A 30 millimeters cube will be displayed. Importing an image. Then open the marking software. Click the gear icon to open settings. First, click Reset. Waiting for the machine to reset. After reset, modify the size information to 30 by 30 by 30 millimeters. After modification, click Go to Origin Position. Wait for the machine to move to the coordinates of the 30 millimeters cube. Place the work surface on the machine workbench, paying attention to the two sides and placing them along the borders. The workable coordinate is 98.5. The coordinates are now 96.5. We need to mark the inside of the workbench. The coordinates should be higher than 98.5. Then we enter 2 and click here. The currency axis coordinate is 98.5. Continue clicking to increase to 100.5. Click Draw Box. The machine will engrave a 30 by 30 millimeters square. The same size as the crystal. Next time you carve, you can directly put the crystal of the same size into the square frame on the working surface.